Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Help. I will play with my friends. I will play with my friends. I will eat my food. I will eat my food. I will clean my room. I will clean my room. I will help my mother. I will help my mother. I will take a bath. I will take a bath. I will wear clean clothes. I will wear clean clothes. I will pack my bag. I will pack my bag. I will go to the park. I will go to the park. I will jump high. I will jump high. I will dance happily. I will dance happily. I will watch cartoons. I will watch cartoons. I will draw a picture. I will draw a picture. I will water the plant. I will water the plant. I will say thank you. I will say thank you. I will feed the dog. I will feed the dog. I will speak the truth. I will speak the truth. I will ask questions. I will ask questions. I will learn something new. I will learn something new. I will be a good child. I will be a good child. I will listen to stories. I will listen to stories. I will help at home. I will help at home. I will improve my skills. I will improve my skills. I will follow good manners. I will follow good manners. I will help everyone. I will help everyone. I will care for animals. I will care for animals. I will never give up. I will never give up. on time. I will sleep on time. I will drink enough water. I will drink enough water. I will work in a team. I will work in a team. I will speak confidently. I will speak confidently. I will come on time. I will come on time. I will believe in myself. I will believe in myself. I will think before I act. I will think before I act. I will face challenges bravely. I will face challenges bravely. I will work hard for success. I will work hard for success. I will smile more. I will smile more.